If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this very plain bottle of Smirnoff into this lovely rhinestone glittery embellished bottle, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today in this video, I am going to be embellishing this bottle of Smirnoff. It says it's zero sugar infusions, strawberry and rose flavored. So I guess it's like a vodka infused with natural flavors, essence, or real botanicals. Anyway, I got some new glitter recently, some chunky glitter from Paper Mart, and I did a little small haul on this glitter. And as you can see, it's like multicolored. And I think this will be very cute on this bottle. This actually is going to be a 40th birthday gift for a good friend of mine. So I'm just going to go ahead and I will be using some Podge. And then I'll let you know what I'm going to seal this bottle with. So I'm going to start off by taking my sponge brush and trying to neatly as possible go around the labels. And now I'm just shaking on my chunky glitter. And going section by section sometimes is the best way to do it. And you can definitely go ahead and leave on that back label if you want to. More than likely, I cover up that back label. I just rather see glitter. The more sparkle and the more glitter, the better. And when you add on your Mod Podge, just make sure it's nice and flat, so that way your glitter will appear nice and flat as well. And so far, this is looking very, very pretty. I like how the colors are kind of like cohesive with the label colors, with the strawberries on there and then the green, and you have those same colors in this glitter. This glitter right now is like my favorite. This DIY is very beginner friendly. I feel like you can't mess this up. Like, you literally cannot mess this up. You're just applying the Mod Podge evenly all over the bottle. You're shaking on the glitter of your choice. Whether you use a fine glitter or a chunky glitter is completely up to you. You can use any color you like to. This makes a very affordable and very pretty birthday gift, or just something to have as a decor on your home bar. And I'm working my way up to the top, adding a nice amount of glue, but also making sure that it's flat, coming up to this top area here. And I'm just gonna top that off with the glitter. And then you're more than welcome to add rhinestones if you want to trace the label. I won't be doing that in this video. I just want to keep this short and sweet. And you can, again, also, if you like to, add some rhinestones going up to the actual top of the bottle too if you want to. I've done that before with wine bottles in the past. It's what one layer of this confetti chunky glitter looks like. I love it. And like I said, one layer is usually pretty good. Unless you have like a stubborn label behind it, you can always paint it or just go. I did dab a little bit extra glue, so I didn't do 2 coats, but I filled 2 coats, but I did 2 on this back part just to kind of fill it in, and I don't think it looks bad at all. Or you can go around the label. So now what I'm going to do is take my liquid glass tri-art, and if I mentioned it before in a couple videos, but I can't assume that everybody's seen every video, so I don't mind explaining certain things over and over. It has a milky consistency. So sometimes I'll dab it in something, but for me, it's just easier and quicker. And this is just my opinion. To just kind of pour it across, take a brush, and just glaze it right across. It's easier and quicker for me to kind of just do it that way. So that's what I'm going to do to seal this glitter. You can do 1 or 2 coats, it's up to you. So now that this bottle has fully dried, and I just did the 1 coat because as you can see, this chunky glitter has a very, very nice coverage. So I just poured on the liquid glass and I'm just kind of smoothing it down. It kind of just runs down the bottle, and I just take my brush and just smooth it right on down. Make sure that when you use your brush and you're finished smoothing this on the whole bottle, Soak your brush in some warm water. I forgot, and this is one of my favorite brushes too. I forgot, and my brush is stiff as a board, and I don't even think it can be saved. So make sure you rinse this out. I usually only do about 1 coat of this liquid glass. If you feel like you need more and it's still glitter still flaking off a little bit, definitely go ahead and do 2 coats, and it will make the glitter nice and smooth too. And then I'll be right back. I'm going to let this dry overnight. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of this glittery Smirnoff bottle with this chunky glitter that I only use 1 coat of glitter on. You can seal your bottle with Mod Podge. I don't. I do not like sealing with Mod Podge, so I use this product called Liquid Glass. And to me, it makes the glitter still look nice and shiny, and it holds it intact. I know that some people also like to use hairspray from the Dollar Tree. I have not tried that method as of yet, but this is such a really pretty DIY. It's very beginner friendly. It's very affordable. I don't remember how much I paid for this bottle. I bought it probably back in the spring. I try to look at the labels and the colors of bottles and decide what I want to get, and it just caught my eye because it had the strawberries on it. It probably, I'm sure it was no more than about $15. But like I said, this is going to be a gift, a cute, affordable gift. And when you get these type of gifts, they can drink it and just refill it with water, sit it on their mantelpiece or their bar, and just keep it moving. So I hope this video was fun and exciting and gave you some cool ideas. If you did enjoy it, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up or share it on Facebook or send it to someone who would possibly be interested in something like this. Thanks you guys for watching this video. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Shout out to all of my subscribers. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have questions, you can leave them in the comment area and I'll respond to them when I have a chance. Bye. And we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10OFF. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers. Also remember, you can follow me on TikTok and on Instagram at Life is a Whole Vibe with underscores in between each word. And I will be hitting 20,000 subscribers very, very soon. Thank you all so much for supporting this channel. Bye-bye.